Hello everyone, I'm Yoshi. I'm from Japan and I'm in Japan now. So, what I want to do is to introduce you to Japan. Because Japan has lots of millions juicy food and juicy dishes. For example, ramen, sushi, sukiyaki, tempura, gyoza, gyudon. Wow. Lots of millions juicy food and juicy dishes in here. So, I know you know that, and I know you want to enjoy them. So, I hope you watch it before you come to Japan, and you can enjoy your trip in Japan more. So, let me show you now. Enjoy!
Hi guys, this time I'm visiting Nakau. Wow, Nakau is one of the most popular people or something Japanese restaurant. Yeah, Japanese restaurant. Alright, look. These udons and I don't know, some bowls. Anyway, Japanese, very Japanese. Look like delicious. Ooh, they have many kind of dishes. Alright. What's that? What should I have today? Oh, it looks like good. But I try this one. Fried chicken. Rice bowl with chili oil. Right? Fried chicken is very popular in the world. As you know, right? Alright, anyway, I completed order. Yeah. They have English menu and some other language menu, so you can buy very easy. Alright, and you can pay by some kind of method. Yeah, I pay by credit card. Right. Alright. Tablespoon. These are chopsticks and spoons and mother, this is side sauce and chili pepper. Yeah. And what's that? Oh, toothpick. Yeah, toothpicks. And this is, pickled ginger. Yeah, great. It's very cheap. Yes, these are spoons. These are good for you. And the chopsticks. Ooh, and napkins and plastics. I don't like that. Plastics. Yeah, plastics, forks. Yeah, I don't like that. Alright. Perfect. Alright. He's coming. Wow. Look like look like spicy. Wow. Alright. Look at delicious. Fried chicken. I don't know. How are you? Alright, fast. I check. Chicken. Oh. Yeah. Yes, perfect. And I need rice. I really need rice. Party in my mouth. Perfect. And I try cereal and look like it's in the garlic and something. Yeah, it's like delicious. Ooh, alright. I sprinkle chili oil. Wow. Ooh, like delicious. Alright, I try. Fried chicken. Wait. chili oil. Ooh, smell is nice. Smell is nice. Oh my god. Really, really great. And I really need rice. Yeah. It's perfect. Extremely great. Yummy. Alright. This is chili oil. This chili oil is, I think it's made by Nakau. Yeah, special sauce. It means special sauce. Original sauce. Yeah, chili oil is very popular. And plus garlic and something. I don't know what's inside. Yeah, but it's spicy and a little sweet, right? I don't know. Makes sense. Spicy and sweet. Yeah, two tastes is in it. So really good for this chicken pork. Right? I don't know. Makes sense. Yeah, but anyway, it's really nice. I just said really yummy. Right? You should try it. You should try it. I highly recommend it. I think that just fried chicken ball is good, but this with chili oil is really good. I think so. Alright, I ate all of them. Thank you, Nakau. I'm full anyway.
How was that? Do you like it? I think it is very nice. Try it. Alright. If you like it, please leave thumbs up and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Have a good day. Bye.